That's why it's called the aqua patio.
Am I trying? No.
Sure. Holy cow. There's another one. Nice. It's a big bass, Joe. Let me sit there. Let me sit there. Here, you stand up right beside me.
And we're here today, and guess what we got?
What do we got, Joe?
Dun, 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 dun.
Which is strange
An
because
LTB tackle box.
but we didn't think we were getting any more of these because we haven't gotten them in like 2 months.
Yeah.
Haven't gotten one of these, so I kind of thought maybe they went out of business or something. So I emailed them the other day, and like a couple days later, this showed up. I don't know if the email had anything to do with it or not, but we're supposed to have a subscription all the way through October, I think. October, right? Yeah. Let me fix this camera. It's a little candid. So we are down here right now. I don't know if you guys can see that behind us, but that's the Ohio River.
Yeah, the Ohio River.
We'll show them after we take the video.
Yeah.
That's Ohio River.
We'll show you guys our camper too.
That's down. We're down in. We're actually in West Virginia.
Ignore all that noise because that's just my sister and our cousins.
A lot of friends.
Jumping.
We'll show them. Okay, well, let's get through the box and then we'll show them. So we're down here at the Ohio River, a little camp out in West Virginia, actually. Other side of the river, that lane you see over here, that's Ohio. So let's go ahead and open this up real quick. Let's get this done so we can make some s'mores.
Yeah.
All right. Ooh. All right, let's see. What's in your box? All right, Joe's gonna read them. You gotta speak up and look towards the camera.
Okay. Big Gun Baits Square Bill.
Big Gun Baits Square Bill. This is a $7 bait. It's gotta be this bad boy. Ooh.
Yeah, gotta be it.
It looks like a bluegill color. I don't say what color it is. Looks bluegill to me. It's a nice square bill. It's a LTB exclusive. Again, that's $7 bait. What's next?
Primitive Fluke.
Primitive Fluke.
Where is it?
It'll be this.
Oh, yeah, I got it.
Ooh, little chartreuse, silver and black flake. Some little flukes. Sorry about the lighting. It's pretty late out here right now. We're just trying to get this done quick. That's $3.50 for those. I think there's 4 of them in there.
Knockout Bait Co. Shadow Boxer.
Knockout Bait Company Shadow Boxer. It's a $6.50 bait. Oh, little jerk bait. Shadow Shad, it's called. Not a bad color. Curious to see if that works.
Why do you even have the knife stuck in the ground?
Oh, that's where I put it. What's next? What's that? $6.50.
California Classic Curvy Worm.
California Classic Curvy Worm, $4.99. Ooh, it's red, like blood. Those are cool. Look at that.
Okay. Bait Rigs Drop Shot Hook.
Bait Rigs Drop Shot Hook, sweet. You can always use some drop shot hooks. Here, go show the camera. I'm tired of getting up. Put it right in the middle, in that square. Alright. Drop shot hooks, those are $4 for 6 of them.
We could buy some of those, Dad.
Yeah, good. What's next?
Senshi Karu.
Senshi Karu. $6 bait. It's a frog, Joe.
A frog?
Yep.
We haven't gotten one of those for a long time.
I know, the leopard.
Yeah, leopard frog.
It's pretty sweet looking. What's next? What's next? The frog is $6.
Bass Brothers Moonshine Crank.
Bass Brothers Moonshine Crank. That's a sweet color. Look at that. It's pretty sweet. Moonshine
It
Glow.
got red eyes.
Red eyes. Moonshine Crank. Doesn't say how deep it'll go, but oh well. Okay, what's next? One more.
Wait.
This is a bonus item.
David Walker Signature 10 Crawl.
David Walker Signature 10 Crawl. $9.99. Look at that thing. That looks like a crawfish, don't it?
It does. That might be one of my favorite ones.
Cabela's exclusive. Looks pretty sweet looking.
Dad, can I go pick it up and show it around?
What do you mean?
Like show them our campsite.
We'll do that in a minute. Hold on. So that's all we got in that box. It says here it's a $47.92 worth of bait in this box. That's what it says. I don't have any reason not to believe them, but again, I'm a little surprised we got the Lucky Tackle box. That's a pretty good box. I'm pretty happy with that if everything works appropriately. Last time we got a bait in the Lucky Tackle box and it said guaranteed to swim true, and it didn't swim true whatsoever. So we'll have to try some of those out. Maybe we'll try some of them out in the Ohio River tomorrow. Yeah. All right. So we're going to show you guys around a little bit. Joey wants to show you around the campsite and things. So we appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share the video if you wouldn't mind doing so, please. Anything you want to tell them? No? Nothing? All right. Well, Joey's going to pick you up and show you around a little bit. So thanks for watching. Here. Now you can see what you're looking at. Hold it right so it doesn't get all...
So I would show the river.
Show them the river. And the
Here's
boat.
my buddy Sam. They're all the kids playing.
It's your cousin.
My cousin.
Listen, you gotta hold it. You hold it right and hold it good, and don't move it around a whole lot.
Okay. Here's the Ohio River. You should get closer.
The other side is Ohio. We're in West Virginia right now. Huh?
Yeah. The other side is Ohio.
Make sure you
All
talk
that way.
loud so they can hear you.
Okay. So I'm gonna go show you our camper.
Here, let me see real quick. Oh, we got couches coming off.
Oh!
We put a new couch in here today.
Hey Dad, if you can show them around if you want, I'm gonna go jump on the trampoline.
Whoa! This is a campsite. That's the cabin, quote unquote, where we're staying at. That's pretty much it. 3 campers up there, maybe only 2 campers. Alright. Alright, thank you guys for watching.